most sacred city in Rivellon, on the brink of collapsing into the void. What? Well, of course I invited him to my home. One of the burdens of my title is the obligation to entertain the great and the good of Arx. Ahu was one of the few that was either great or good. He is, the Grand Master of this order. Never mind an old friend. He spent a lot of time in my home. I invited him over to discuss the matters of the city, but he never arrived. I am not a library book to be perused at your leisure. You already know what is most important. Grand Master Ahu is missing and must be returned to the Paladins. Now stop wasting my time with stupid questions and begin your search. And out with it.
The man gives you a wry look, letting out a low chuckle.
A black ring mirror? If I had anything of the black ring, it would be a war trophy, nothing more. Soldiers do love to take trinkets, and I've been a soldier a long time. Who knows what I have tucked away in my attic? Now, if you're done with gossip, I have things to do, and so do you, I imagine.
Spotted something.
Diana, clad in spore armor. She holds the finished helm in her hand, wrenched from the corpse of a paladin at her side. She places it overhead and stiffens.
Yes, Ancestor. Show me. I want...
Her head wrenches violently towards you. A moan escapes the helmet, followed by a trickle of bright blood. Beneath the helm, fever-bright eyes snap to meet yours.
Why do you come, human? Rot. Come to steal, feed, infect.
Diana hears you, but Diana is not alone anymore.
She approaches you, the vines on her armor lashing as her voice becomes a chorus.
You come just as I finish. We are complete. One skin, and we only begin. The ancestor within. Not all die in the war. This one survives the death fog and waits. Once, I planned to reunite our people, but the Ancestor shows me we are never united, never truly one. But the Ancestor makes more spores, and we become one. Do you see? Everyone. There is no separation, do you see? Human, dwarf, lizard, all one. All equal.
She suddenly snaps straight, trembling and rigid. A voice booms from the helm, not hers.
Enough. I have shared this shell long enough. Your purpose is done. I have outgrown you.
No! I see what you mean to do. You tell me we forgive them, save them, not...
The armor writhes and screeches, cutting her short. It slowly unfolds, and whatever is left beneath the vines is no longer Diana.
They poison our soil with death fog. It is for the Ancestors to remember, not to forgive. And you alone witness, and so I do you this honor. You are the first to feed the harvest.
I would, didn't I? Sure thing.
You must truly savor my company, Godwoken. Something you wanted?
I've got sword fighters, mages, archers, all willing to fight by your side if the price is right.
I'm growing soft, aren't I? I'm growing soft, aren't I?
Like to take a look at what I've been working on, by all means.
The helmet clicks home with a faint smell of rot. It tightens to a snug fit, as if made for you.
I feel how tightly you grasp to the fear, to the fight. Let go. You need them no longer. We are one. Consumed? No. Embraced.
I am whole. We are one.
Come. Embrace. Submit. Embrace. Only for them bring fire and death fog to our forests again? No. That cycle ends. Another begins. With you. My mind is fractured, incomplete. If I have enough hosts, perhaps I will be whole. They cut me from the ancestor trees and reshaped me to their purpose. Armor that would duplicate, dominate. They would raise an army and bend it to their will. But I had my own will. So when the death fog fell and all other ancestors fell silent, I called out. And now I am broken made whole. We will be whole. But if you must be shattered first, so be it.
And suddenly you're engulfed by a sea of memories. Every life the entity has consumed, stretching back millennia. Fragments buffet you, gnaw at you, until everything you are is falling away.
You think to cling within your shell? Very well. I have tasted it now.
And suddenly the tide reverses. It is your own memories bearing down on you now, crushing you beneath the weight of every trauma, every regret, every failure. Piece by piece, the weight in your mind begins to shift. You sense a presence alongside you, Diana, lending her strength to yours.
No. We are one. We are whole.
The voice breaks, and suddenly your mind is your own again. Instead of one dominating presence, you briefly feel thousands, joyous and suddenly free. One by one, they fade and are gone.
I serve all who seek aid, Mom. I welcome newcomers and natives alike. We shall What'll it be?
Still, the paladins.
Paladins don't need them either. They took the weapons off the dead magisters.
Some are still good. What are you looking for? I'm not picky. Along the arrow flies straight. In need of hunting supplies?
Get out of here, you dirty
Nature provides. Browse as you must, but do respect my wares. They are too fragile for coarse fingers.
Back to refill your quiver, are you?
to it or get moving. It's the busiest day of the year. If you've got some fight in you, then I've got what you need.
Watch it.
You should be more careful who you cross. You need more than wits on these wild streets.
We can be happy elsewhere.
Foaming blood begins to gush from the eyes, mouths, noses and ears of several bystanders. Their flesh melts away, revealing hellish figures beneath.
You spilled the blood of the advocate. The doctor demands a reckoning.
Enables tragedy.
You have the trust of Lord Arthur. Show me what to say.
Pieces of our collective soul. Yours to buy. I've little for sale.
Welcome. What brings you by? Good wishes, friend.
I offer wisdom at reasonable rates. We are done here.
Most marvelous magic right at your fingertips. Most marvelous magic right at your fingertips.
Look at the size of that thing!
Don't I normally see you?
I got real lucky when the Voidwoken attacked. They didn't go anywhere near the chem estate. I know some people that lost everything. Some, maybe. But most of us are here to trade with Chem. He's tough to nail down. Luckily, our appraiser Kat's already made her way into the estate. The Chems lost nothing in the attack, so Kat will try to convince them to share a little. She's our leader, and a damn fine appraiser too. Meet her inside and she might even trade with you. I know quality when I see it.
You know, you pick it from the portrait. If you're looking for Kat, she's evaluating all of Chem's antiquities. It'll be a while, but hey, why not do some shopping while you're away?
The man in front of you is clad in a ragtag assortment of garb. He looks up from repairing a battered instrument to smile and nod at you, one traveller to another.
Ho there, fellow traveller. Luronta. Looking for some cheer to lighten the mood of this grim city?
My dear friend, what do you take me for?
The trader looks at the mansion behind her nervously, then back to you.
Looking for, something special?
She responds with a nervous wave, and her eyes flit to the mansion behind her.
Come out wherever you are.
For heaven's sake, would you please... Oh, ever so sorry. I thought you were that rotten butler about to warn me once again to take the ocular, not the tactile approach. I swear I've a mind to beat him to death with the nearest dictionary I can find.
Have you managed to rummage up any tombs?
None to be found. I'm not going to go digging in the dirt.
Oh, do spare me. That little snob thinks me unworthy of being in his precious lord's mansion appraising his precious lord's collection of antiques. Just you try judging the state of a Vedistian armoire if you're not even allowed to rummage through its drawers. Oh, he's all blood and battle, all right. Until you show him a Ferolian snuff box or an ancient imperial fainting couch, then he's as giddy as a cat in a field of catnip. He knows very well I'm the best in the business. Asked me to value his collection personally.
No time to dilly-dally. Won't be long.
Highly interesting. And highly valuable. Perhaps even quite out of your league. Anything else? I'm merely appraising the many antiques gathered in here in this beautiful mansion.
A roguish little smile suddenly plays upon her lips.
What else would I be doing? My, you do drive a hard bargain, don't you? Very well. Consider yourself invited. Now listen closely. Rumor has it that Lord Kim's mansion is built upon a massive vault in which he hides his true valuables. His entire house is but a smokescreen for the real treasure hidden underneath. I've had no luck so far in locating this fabled vault, but if you do, I swear the entire hoard is yours. No questions asked. All I want in return for this information is a trio of curios that is said to be kept inside. The portrait of the divine, the cup of kings, and the scroll of eternity. Everything else is yours. A most satisfactory arrangement.
She shakes her head apologetically.
There are only whispers of a vault and quieter whispers still of what it may contain. But at least you know now that it's there. Probably.
The water rises and falls on Lord Ken's command.
The bloom opens before your eyes, resplendent and regal. It emits a sweet, subtle scent, like that of a rose, though more intoxicating. The bloom scent ribbons towards you until it fills your nostrils. Your whole body flushes. You're sure you must be glowing, so deep does the warmth dwell.
Sorrow. Our joy shall be the God-woken's sorrow. Our joy sorrow.
The unusual bloom continues unabated, as if parroting someone's words rather than speaking of its own accord.
The advocate is dead. The doctor is in. The advocate. The prey offers itself. Take it. The prey offers. Take it.
The flower has gone quiet.
The water rises and falls on Lord Ken's command.
The rustling of leaves and branches turns to an insidious murmur. The closer you listen, the clearer the whispers become.
Source in the air. He must be near. Kim. The doctor sends his regards.
The doctor has some explaining to do.
doctor sees no one.
The flower is withered. You bend to smell the bloom, but it has no discernible scent. You take a deep breath, only for icy darkness to pierce your heart. The chill freezes your bones, then rushes free, leaving a single word etched within you: God-woken.
Friends of the Ring are destroyed.
You must truly savor my company, Godwoken.
I'm growing soft,
Something you wanted?
aren't I? These Godwoken are going to be the death of me.
Godwoken, how can I help? Go with...
You always bring me to such wonderfully destructive places. I'll never find somewhere quiet to settle down at this rate.
I would have preferred a more discreet arrival in Arx myself. I am still a fugitive after all.
I've spotted something.
The water rises
Now
and
we'll see what
falls
Ken was hiding.
on Lord Ken's command.